glasses, so grab some safety
Nice.
glasses. Thank you. You're welcome.
To start off, got your controller, got the handles flipped out. You got two thumbsticks. Thumbstick, left thumbstick. That is how you control. So left stick up, right stick back. Right stick back. Just like that. Forward.
The controller is just kind of like the brain to actually like connect it. Again, technical details we can.
Good. How's everybody? You guys good? A little rain never hurt anybody. Except for the Wicked Witch, I guess. You know, so. How are you?
So I'd like to be able to get from one side of the country to the other in half the time. And when I get to where I'm going, I'd like to get from the airport to the grandbaby's house in 15 minutes instead of another 3 hours. That's the work you're doing right here today. I know it's a lot of fun and you're doing a game, but you're charting the course. You're asking what if.
These are the kinds of things that I know all of you are going to have.
But I was always dreaming about what it would be like to do exactly what all of you are doing. And to see you here and to understand the opportunities that are in front of you as you write the next chapters of what this world of space and exploration and dreaming are going to be, I'm excited to see the great things that you will all do.
Do basic tasks, and STEM underpins that.
Okay. So you're going to take it through the circular obstacles.
Trying to do this. You're much more successful. Yeah. How's everybody?